premier event. This September, the spotlight shines on Calabasas, and the star of the show is Cadillac. At Cadillac of Calabasas, Cadillac Dealer of the Year, we proudly present one of the largest Escalade inventories in all of California. Choose your role, commanding V8 power or the all-electric Escalade IQ, both delivering unmatched style, comfort, and presence. 5 new EVs are rewriting the script on luxury, futuristic design, handcrafted comfort, and performance worthy of the big screen. Inside, every Cadillac is tailored like a leading role. Immersive technology, refined luxury, unforgettable comfort. And behind the scenes, our award-winning service and parts department ensures that performance never stops. Join us for the Calabasas Film Festival Savings event at Cadillac of Calabasas, Cadillac Escalade, Cadillac EVs, Cadillac Luxury. The spotlight is yours. Cadillac of Calabasas, where stars are made.